Good morning guys, it's Saturday, we're up early and we're off for some breakfast. They called you?
The Moka.
Good morning, welcome to Moka. He's only being nice on camera, he's not usually like that. It's early, so caught it quite quiet, and at the moment with current restrictions you're only allowed 2 people at a table. So I'm having peace and quiet while those 2 sit over there. And then of course when you get your drink or something on your table you can take your mask off. Until then you gotta sit there with your mask on. Good morning Julietta.
Good morning.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Thank you very much. What have you got, yo?
Parakeet.
Good to stir, man. Breakfast special request. 2 eggs, 2 bacon, beans and a hash brown. Right, that's breakfast done at La Moka. Lovely jubbly. Now we've got some cakes as well for later. So I'm going to pick Sarah up and then we're off out for the day. Hola. 20 euros, por favor. Gracias. Right, we've got some gas. It's in the back of the car. Fucking. Okay guys, we're back out to Orzola and this is one of the beaches that we didn't come to. It looks a bit more swimmy. It's low tide at the moment. But, I did want to return because it's such a nice place. Just spin you around and have a look where we are. Different landscape altogether, low tide, isn't it? So we just put the drone up and have some nice tied out footage. We're just having a little explore. Sarah's been in, she had a paddle. As there's low tide, it's not quite deep enough for a swim at the moment, so.
Well, we're gonna go through a little drive through Orzola to show Daryl because he hasn't been here, and then we're gonna go for a drive to Harrier.
It's a wave, yeah. Masks off, and then we got a drink. Yep, driving up the road, seen this place, we pulled off into paradise. Do you feel rain then?
No, it's the bubbles from my drink. See, I'm not drinking wine. This is, you know, get it on camera.
Go say.
A local potato and corn soup.
And as it's a chicken place, I went for the roast chicken. On third plate, food was spot on.
Beautiful, yeah, really, really good.
So, dos cortados, and I'm having a pudding. I'm having grandmother's tart. Bit of
Tarta
granny.
de la abuela.
Bit of granny's pudding. Yo and Daryl had goat burgers.
What's your goat burgers like, boys?
So €55 for 4 of us to eat, drink, and I had a pudding. Dropped it. Unfortunately, it's not the day for views today, but on a clear day, this would be fantastic. Famara down there. Lots of detours and stuff. This is where we like to get our wine from. Greek wine. We got wine! Yay!